Learning to moonwalk forward starts with mastering the illusion. Begin by standing on a smooth surface, wearing socks or smooth-soled shoes. Many people find this primary step challenging due to balance issues. Keep your knees slightly bent, stabilize yourself. Begin with your left foot. Gently glide it forward by keeping it flat while your right foot stays on its toe. Key pain point here is maintaining your weight balance across both feet. Pro tip, use a mirror to check your posture. Now smoothly transition by lowering your right heel while lifting your left heel. This is where most people get stuck due to coordination difficulties. Practice this movement repeatedly until it becomes second nature. But you'll find it's all about rhythm, and the illusion lies in the glide. As you lower your left heel, slide your right foot forward on its ball. Many beginners struggle with this synchronicity. Focus on keeping the right foot movement sleek and seamless. An added benefit, it doubles as a core workout. Repeat the previous steps, reversing the roles of the feet. Essentially, you're shuffling the weight in patterns, alternating back and forth while feeling as though you're effortlessly sliding. And repeat these steps until the sequence becomes fluid. Keep the focus on your lower body. Your upper body should appear relaxed, arms at sides or in a casual position. This can be tricky as many people tense up naturally. Visualize someone moonwalking. They exude calmness above the hips. Timing is crucial. Perform the glide movements to a slow, rhythmic count or music with a measured beat. Many people overlook timing, leading to awkward steps. Pro tip, practice to songs with a consistent slower beat rate, around 60 to 80 BPM. Avoid looking down constantly, a common habit among beginners. It disrupts the fluid illusion and affects posture. Use your peripheral vision to monitor feet placement instead. Consider filming your practice to review any nuances you might not notice live. Your shoes can be your friend or foe. Sneakers with grippy soles can hinder your glide, while shoes with a smooth sole facilitate motion. Understand your footwear's role in this dance and adjust accordingly. Experiment with different options to achieve the best glide. Experiment with flooring surfaces. Carpet might make sliding challenging. So smoother surfaces like hardwood or tiles are typically more forgiving. Test various conditions until you find the one that amplifies your stride and comfort level. As you gain confidence, incorporate more complex moves or slight directional changes. This might mean experiencing some stumbles at first, but perseverance pays off. Remember, even pros started with awkward transitions before mastering the art of moonwalking. Ultimately, moonwalking forward is about creating an illusion. It's a dance style heavily focused on appearances rather than literal movement. And you maybe practice until your mind and body stop questioning whether you're doing it right and start vibing with the flow.